Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we got to see some good amount of selling pressure after the market opening. So in our last video, we discussed the importance of news. So we also discussed that we need to stay in touch with news so that we do not get a surprise right after the market opening. And this was the candle market form. And if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold slips on US-China trade optimism. Gold falls dragged by weakening safe haven demand, possible profit taking. Gold slides on US-China trade talks. So my dear friends, as we all know, gold was super bullish because of the trade war threat. But now we can see the tension is easing. And US and China are heading for a trade talk, as a result of which gold is slowly going down. Technically, if we look at the market structure is also indicating bearishness because market has formed lower highs and lower lows. So whenever we get a market structure of LLH, lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, the simple trading strategy that we can follow is sell on rise. Means whenever market will be going up, for recovery we can sell at the resistance. But here we have a little catch. Forex is a decentralized market. As a result, the charts vary. So this is the hourly chart of gold USD from forex.com. It's a broker. If you look at the chart of ONDA is also a very reputed broker globally. You can see we have a similar chart. But if we look at the chart of, let's say, Pepperstone, another big broker, you can see that the chart is different. We have a gap down opening here. So on the chart of ONDA and forex.com, there was no gap down. It was just a clean downside. But here on the chart of Pepperstone, another big broker, we can see that we have a clear gap down opening. And if you look at the chart of IC market, another big name, you can see that we have a gap down opening. There is a gap here. There is a gap here. So things are critical right now because see, if the gap is real, then there's a high chance that market will try to recover because market doesn't like gaps. If you trade on index or if you trade on the stock market, you must know that these gaps are very common in stock market and market doesn't like gaps. Market eventually feels like a market gap को fill कर देता है हमेशा. So here we can see that on not certain charts, on most of the charts we have a gap. So it is difficult to say right now whether market will be going down completely. So if market goes up also, please do not be surprised because on the chart of forex.com we may not have a gap, but on other sides or other charts we do have a gap. And forex is a decentralized market and this is the biggest disadvantage. Anyways, we cannot deny the fact that the market sentiment is not very positive right now. Means there is a high chance that we may see gold going down. So in that scenario, if gold breaks 3260 or 3258, we can expect further downside and we can look for a sell position below this level. Right now, we can see the market is in consolidation. It's a good thing because before a major move, if market consolidates, the move is strong one. So after some consolidation, if you see market boom goes down, then we can look for a sell below 3260, 3258 area. And if gold goes up, then we have a good selling opportunity around 341415 area. Why 341415 area? Because we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level, but we also have the 200 moving average. So as a day trader, we can look for a sell around 1415 area. If market shows price rejection from above, be careful. Do not trade blindly. If you see that there is a big green candle and if you still press the sell button, it's your fault. Do not gamble. So 341415 area has the potential to reverse the market for 60-70 pips. If market shows price rejection from above, we can hit the sell button. Okay, and you can see that I have also drawn a arrow here, blue arrow. For the market to recover, for gold to recover, gold needs to cross this level. Means gold needs to cross 3350, 3360. Then only we can consider the market to be bullish again. As long as gold is trading below 335060 area, market will either be bearish or market will be sideways. Okay. So if gold goes up and reverses from 331415 area, we can look for a sell position. You can also see that I have drawn few other lines here. Okay, around 3303 and 329394. Okay, you can see that these are two levels on the chart of gold, okay, where we can look for a sell position. But as I said, okay, as you all guys also also that, okay, there are gaps. Okay, so if market shows price rejection from above, then we can look for a sell around this area. But keep in mind, these are high risk levels. Okay, because if market shows good recovery, for example, during the day, if you see the market is going up sharply, then okay, it may not work. But if you see same candles, small candles, okay, then you can look for a quick selling of 30-40 pips around 3293 3303 area. But I believe that around 331415 area, as a day trader, we will get some good opportunity. But no level is permanent. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, then only hit the sell button. And after consolidation, if market falls below 3358 area, there also we can look for a sell. So let's hope for the best. Let's wait and watch. And today is not a very ideal day because of this confusion. If you trade on other assets or other currency pairs, you can try there as well. Let the market settle. That will be better thing to do. And if you guys still have not joined the free Telegram community, then please join the Telegram community, because if anything crazy happens, I will update here. Because in the morning, you can see that I have clearly mentioned, okay, the charts here, okay, the correction on gold. So please join the Telegram community. The link will be in the description as well as on the screen right now. And be careful of these scams, because, okay, these are all scams going on in my name. Okay, only join with the Telegram link in the video.